Hi guys, welcome to a new video with affiliate marketing with Bishoy. This is Bishoy, of course. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a Facebook page. It could be a business Facebook page or just a community Facebook page. If you can make it a business if you're planning to make a lot of money with it or using it for affiliate marketing. Or you can make it community if you're going to talk about something you're interested in. It depends on what's the purpose of why you're making it to begin with. Uh, I would make it a business page anyway because it gives you a lot of insight and a lot of options more than the community, as we're going to see right now. So this is a fake profile I just created uh, for you on Facebook. Usually, I don't like to share my private information. I had to do that to create this account just so you know what kind of sacrifices I have to do. Anyways, I'm not shaming you or blaming you or anything. I'm just saying maybe you should give me a like for that, or share, or comment, or subscribe, or all. Anyway, you can start by pressing this button here, create, on the top page. I'm using this on desktop. If you're using it on phone, it would be different. Maybe if you want to see how you can do it on your mobile phone or from the application directly, let me know. I will do a separate video for that. Now you just create. Now you can make a page, group, event, add. Add is something we're going to discuss in the future because this is very important if you're going to plan on making money from your page or from Facebook. But for now, we're just going to take page. As you can see, it will give you two different options: community or public figure, business or brand. As I said, we're going to do business or brand because it gives you access to more information, analytics, etc. Now you're just going to name your page. You're just going to say, let's say, Bishoy affiliate marketing with Bishoy. Actually, let's not do that in case I want to make a page in the future. Just affiliate marketing. Of course, when you're going to make your page, try to be as unique as possible. So it would be easier for people to find it in the search result or to remember it and share it. But at the same time, don't be too generic or don't use too many. Sorry, don't be too unique because you still want to come up in the search results if someone searching here on Facebook for affiliate marketing. Okay, so think about it on what better options, middle ground between something that clearly shows what you're going to talk about. So if you're going to talk about makeup, put makeup in there, put eyeshadow, eyeliner, whatever. Make it known or clear that this page is going to talk about makeup. But at the same time, don't make it makeup or best makeup. Make it unique. Make it easy for people to remember. Don't make it too long. Don't say how to apply makeup during your teenage age with Mary. That would be too long. Okay, but at the same time, also don't focus on it too much. Don't spend days and hours or months trying to figure out the best way to name your page. Just put a name, start taking action, and whenever you see you get your feet wet and you decide how you're going to proceed from there, you can change the name later. You can make a new page and ask people who joined the first page to join the second page, etc. Okay, for now, we're just going to talk about a category. So we're going to talk about financial. You can say just finance. Now you don't have to enter this information, but it's preferable if you actually own a business. Like you can enter the street address and the postal code and the phone number for your address for your business. If you're just going to use this for affiliate marketing, then you don't have to fill out this information. Okay. Well, turns out you actually have to, but don't make it. You don't have to give an actual address. Just say this, this. at this city and country, just say New York. Okay, New Jersey. Oh, I have touched it. Okay. You can choose not to show your address, only shows the Sound City region. They are only asking this because you're making it a business. This is going to take some time. Sorry about that. Okay. Now you're just going to add a profile picture. Now I'm not going to add one, but you should add, if you already own a business, take a picture of the address sign, take a picture of the sign at the window front, take a picture of yourself in front of it, take a picture of your employees, whatever. Just something that shows the people what is this page about. I'm going to skip that for now. Cover photo, same thing. Statistically, people like pages with humans in it. So maybe you can make the profile picture a picture of you and the sign or the window front behind you, and you can make the cover photo itself for your staff behind the counter with them smiling in the uniform. Looks very professional. If you're going to do that, this page for affiliate marketing, then excuse me, as I was saying, if you're going to do this for affiliate marketing, then just add a picture of the products, picture of you using the product, picture of the owner of the products. If you're going to promote ClickBank or something, you will see videos of the owners of the products and so on. We're going to skip that for now, and I think that's it. So that's it. That's your page. Here you can create your username. So people, it will be like Facebook/affiliate marketing. If you see here, there is a lot of numbers. Once you set your username here, like for example, if marketing, this here will change. This here will change. Instead of Facebook affiliate dash marketing dash 10466 and so on, it will be facebook.com/AFF marketing 2020, just like I wrote here. Okay. Now this one doesn't change. You can change the name of your page, but you cannot change the username. So don't choose it until you decided on the final name of the page. Okay. Now this here is a little more detailed. If you like to know what these features do, if you should turn it on or not, etc., let me know and I will see what I can do. We'll create a separate video. Now make sure to like, subscribe, so future videos, you can watch future videos. And let me know what you think about the accent, because I worry sometimes that it's not clear enough for you guys. Talk to you later.